Alright guys, diecastmania here with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing two older Caterpillar excavator models in 1/50th scale. One's an NZG and the other is a, which I believe is a Shinsei model. So anyway, without further ado, bought these models off of eBay not too long ago for more than reasonable price. Pretty good deal through and through on these models. So here we go, get the newspaper aside, and some of you probably already know what these are, but start off with the smaller one, the NZG Cat M318 wheeled excavator. I believe this is a 1997 release. Boxes on both of these are a little bit rough, but the models should be just fine. So there's the M318 box, and we'll just go ahead and unbox this one right away. So here we go. The M318 is a pretty common machine where I'm around, so thought I might as well pick this one up, especially at the price. I couldn't refuse it. So I have a review of this up, and not sure when, but in the relative future. So there we go, the M318 NZG. And here's the second piece. I'm very happy to get this one finally. Didn't get a NZG 325, but I got the Shinsei Cat 325 REGA, which is the Japanese market Caterpillar 325, made by Shin Mitsubishi Caterpillar. So, made in Japan, 1/50th scale. Been waiting for this one a long time. Finally got a good deal on one. Here we are. Looks really nice. It's a heavy model. Nice packaging. Just the foam. And here we are, the 325 REGA. I believe. This is a pretty rare model. I mean, you don't find these for very cheap very often. Some of these places actually have this listed in the 200s to 300s. So yeah, it's a pretty solid model. I have reviews on both of these up soon, so anyway, there you go, the 325 and the M318. Thanks for watching, have a great day, bye.